Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Digital How-Tos. Today, I'll share 2 reliable methods to create a Gmail account without a phone number. While some of the usual tricks may not work anymore, these options still give you a chance to bypass phone verification. Let's get into it. Method 1. Use a temporary or virtual phone number. If Google insists on a phone number, you can use a temporary or virtual number to receive the verification code. Services like TextNow, Receive SMS Online, or Free Phone Num provide free temporary phone numbers that you can use just for the sign-up process. Go to one of these services and get a temporary number. When creating the Gmail account, enter the temporary number, receive the verification code, and use it to complete the registration. After that, you don't have to use that phone number again. Method 2. Create multiple Gmail accounts using one phone number. Did you know that Google allows you to use the same phone number for up to 4 Gmail accounts? If you already have a Gmail account linked to your phone, just use the same number for the new account. Google will still accept it without any problem. So, to recap. 1. Use a temporary or virtual phone number for one-time verification. 2. Create multiple Gmail accounts using the same phone number. And that's how you can still create a Gmail account without providing your phone number. Have any questions or other methods that worked for you? Share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the Easy Web Tips channel, and ring the bell for more tips.